This part of my studio has gotten too messy, especially inside this case over here, and it's about time I clean it. It mainly consists of a lot of things I used in some old videos on my YouTube channel, and also some different brand squishy toys and fidgets that brands sent to me. I don't even touch anything in here anymore, but it still manages to get messy. I don't even know how. Maybe it's Chloe, maybe it's Owen, who really knows? But at least it'll be clean by the end of this video. First, I'm just gonna separate everything out by like squishies, fidgets, random stuff. That way everything is organized and in their own piles. Looking better already. Oh my gosh, you guys, I haven't seen these Shopkins in so many years. That's crazy. Opening this again is practically like a little time machine. Like I'm going back in time to my childhood. Hey, it looks much better now.